how to buy MonarkDAO token. So this token came under the symbol of Monark. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 8 hours ago and increased by 37,000% in the last 24 hours. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, open your front mind for that. So I will just log in to my wallet first. Click on swap, switch from here, as you can see. Now make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the as you can see, the provider from here. I guess yes, the provider from here. Now click on Jupiter, select the Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back, make sure to read that information here. Click on swap and you'll be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. Now as you can see, this is how to buy Monark token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.